Michelle and Lane Carter. Her Northwest activities include KUGR Executive Board, National Honor Society, CCC, Varsity Volleyball, Sophomore Top 100, President's Council, Junior League Cotillion, International Baccalaureate Certificate Candidate, and 4.0 Honor Roll. Her future plans are to attend the University of Kansas to major in broadcast journalism.
Tom is the son of Sarah and John Green. His Northwest activities include varsity soccer, varsity track, freshman, sophomore, and junior class president, student council parliamentarian, Young Democrats Club, Geocache Executive Board, Honor Roll, and CCC. His future plans are to attend the University of Kansas to study public administration.
Clara Jean Davison and Mitchell Dean Slocum. Clara is the daughter of Patricia and Dean Davison. Her Northwest activities include Chambers Orchestra, Symphony, Interact Club Executive Board, National Honor Society Executive Board, Photojournalism, Business Manager, Cross Country, Distance Track, French National Honor Society, Quill and Scroll, International Baccalaureate Certificate, National Merit Commended Scholar, and 4.0 Honor Roll. Her future plans are to attend Ohio State University to double major in Arts Management and Business Administration.
Mitchell is the son of Mark and Anna Slocum. His Northwest activities include marching band, symphonic band, jazz band, pep band, symphony orchestra, marching band, trombone section leader, National Honor Society, International Baccalaureate Certificate, and 4.0 Honor Roll. His future plans are to attend the University of Kansas to major in history and political science.
Christina Watama Hayford and Spencer Jonathan Day. Christina is the daughter of Archie and Julie Hayford. Her Northwest activities include International Baccalaureate Diploma Candidate, National Honor Society, Acapella Choir, Thespian Troupe 888, Club 121, Young Democrats, Sophomore Top 100, Honor Roll, and Interact Club. Her future plans are to attend Notre Dame University to major in psychology.
Spencer is the son of Fu Deng and Christine Lau. His Northwest activities include academic decathlon, categories, poetry club, League of Legends Club, Rutherford Prom Team, 4.0 Honor Roll, and National Honor Society. His future plans are to attend the University of Kansas to major in chemistry and math.
Savannah Aaron Kelley and Jacob Taylor Steinle. Savannah is the daughter of Tacia and Chris Kelley. Her Northwest activities include Editor-in-Chief of Yearbook, 4.0 Honor Roll, Sophomore Top 100, Photojournalism, Girls Swim Team, National Honor Society, Interact Club, and Young Democrats. Her future plans are to attend New York University in Paris to major in mass communications.
Jacob is the son of Brad and Monica Steinle. His Northwest activities include varsity basketball, Ultimate Frisbee Club, former League of Legends treasurer, Rebel Club, and Young Democrats Executive Board. His future plans are to attend the University of St. Mary's to study pre-med.
Jane Elaine Kotzman and Samuel Brendan Ryan. Jana is the daughter of Karen and Greg Kotzman. Her Northwest activities include varsity track and field, varsity drill team, National Honor Society, Chambers Orchestra, Symphony Orchestra, Shawnee Mission Young Life, Geocaching Club, 4.0 Honor Roll, and Sophomore Top 100. Her future plans are to attend the University of Kansas to study pre-medicine.
Samuel is the son of Kelley and Nancy Ryan. His Northwest activities include Business Professionals of America, Ultimate Frisbee Club, CCC, National Honor Society, Sophomore Top 100, and 4.0 Honor Roll. His future plans are to attend the University of Kansas to major in finance.
Emma Catherine Rutherford and Casey Thomas Kelley. Bryson Jack Rutherford. Her Northwest activities include varsity drill team co-captain, National Honor Society parliamentarian, CCC, Shawnee Mission Young Life, Geocaching Club, 4.0 honor roll, sophomore top 100, and cadet teaching. Her future plans are to attend the University of Nebraska-Lincoln to study biological systems engineering.
Casey is the son of John and Jana Kelley. His Northwest activities include National Honor Society, varsity baseball, JV cross country, prom committee, CCC, sophomore top 100, and 4.0 honor roll. His future plans are to attend the University of Central Missouri to play baseball and major in actuarial science and statistics.
Sydney Michelle Thompson and Neil Anthony Steinle. Sydney is the daughter of Janet and Ed Thompson. Her Northwest activities include varsity basketball, varsity volleyball, varsity soccer, CCC, Future Educators of America, cadet teaching, National Honor Society, sophomore top 100, and 4.0 honor roll. Her future plans are to attend the University of Kansas to major in elementary education.
Neil is the son of John and Linda Steinle. His Northwest activities include varsity football, varsity track and field, KUGR, wrestling, CCC, 4.0 honor roll, Ultimate Frisbee Club, and Young Republicans. His future plans are to attend Kansas State University to major in engineering.
Claire Francis Williams and Harrison Huawei Chen. Claire is the daughter of Jennifer and Wade Williams. Her Northwest activities include varsity girls swim and dive, Chambers Orchestra, Interact Club, National Honor Society, International Baccalaureate, 4.0 honor roll, sophomore top 100, Geocaching Club, and Geocaching Club. Her future plans are to attend New York University to swim and major in international relations.
Harrison is the son of Jodell McGill. His Northwest activities include CCC, National Honor Society, Geocaching Club co-president, student body president, varsity soccer, and international baccalaureate certificate. His future plans are to attend the University of Kansas and major in business.
Riley Claire Winter and Tyler Marvin Akagi. Riley is the daughter of Colleen and DJ Winter. Her Northwest activities include varsity girls golf, Interact Club, Youth in Government, Ultimate Frisbee Club, CCC, Chambers Orchestra, Symphony Orchestra, Orchestra Leadership Team Vice President, and Young Democrats Club. Her future plans are to attend the University of Kansas to major in environmental studies.
Tyler is the son of Brett and Mary Akagi. His Northwest activities include varsity tennis, treasurer of the Future Educators Association, National Honor Society, 4.0 honor roll, sophomore top 100, and ukulele club. His future plans are to attend Emporia State University to major in secondary education.
Natalie Ann Zimmerman and Nate Daniel Reed. Natalie is the daughter of Ann and Matt Zimmerman. Her Northwest activities include marching band, clarinet field leader, symphonic band, pep band, international baccalaureate certificate, National Honor Society, sophomore top 100, 4.0 honor roll, ukulele club, Interact Club, Guatemala board co-chair, collision, track and field, and cross country. Her future plans are to attend the University of Arkansas to major in business.
Nate is the son of Pam Reeder. His Northwest activities include varsity baseball, JV soccer, CCC sophomore top 100, and 4.0 honor roll. His future plans are to attend the University of Evansville to play baseball and major in